Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, light pink color, red color, black color, green color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, brown color, yellow color, and light green color. It's now you draw alphabets, and first we draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. Kids, now you draw E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Okay, so now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N. And N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw number. First you draw 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kids, now you draw 6. The numbers of 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.